So Griselda,
gonna do some live shit on this?
listen, Griselda, hey yo, your arms too short to box the fly guard. Saber just on brim python. Balenciaga arena swing. My brother dropped out of school, that nigga rather get paid. I graduated high school, skipped college, went straight to the feds. My man said he'd rather do life than rather be dead. Balmain motors, 500 a leg. Burgundy toes with the feds. Chainsaw the brick 36 pieces. Mac in the kid bleakest. White or white label truck, you thought the kid was Jesus. I could turn 1 or 2. My shooters rock the trench in the summer too.